Hi everyone, this is Yuka. Today I'm gonna show you how to make easy Indian masala chai. I made this recipe with my roommate by watching a lot of videos people making chais on street in India. In this recipe, I use 5 different spices, and those are all powders, so once you have at home, you can always make them easy and anytime you want. It's very easy and simple, and you're gonna love it. So let's get started! Okay, I forgot to show a video of me drinking chai today, so I don't have a taste testing. But the point is to put a lot of black garlic. I put probably 15 to 20, pretty good amount of grinding. I like to make it spicy. I normally put 1 tablespoon of coconut oil after this and blend them together with blender. And then I use as a drink for intermittent fasting. Actually, if I drink the chai with coconut oil, I don't get hungry at all for several hours. So please hit subscribe buttons if you like this recipe, and I'll see you soon. Bye!